I know, but I.
Don't feel
But
obligated.
I have to.
Yeah, but Lucia does.
Lucia has to.
Sorry.
I guess I will. Oh, what? The sun's coming up. I like it better over here.
How tall do you think that building is? Okay. 200 feet tall?
No.
Oh.
10 feet a story.
130 feet. But and then the elevator shaft, maybe another 20 feet. 150 feet
Pretty
Including
from the
all the way to the beach?
from the beach. Yeah.
So that's like the size of a wave, right?
Like each floor is like 10 feet.
Palo told me that the biggest wave was 1,000 feet.
No, that's